Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log into your HDFC Bank account online. Whether you log in for the first time or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you out. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official HDFC Bank website. You can do this by typing hdfcbank.com in the address bar and pressing enter. But for me, it's easier because it's in my shortcuts. Always make sure you're on the official website to protect yourself from phishing scams. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Then you have to tap on net banking. This will direct you to the net banking login page. On the net banking login page, you'll see a form asking for your customer ID and password. Enter your customer ID in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Be cautious while typing your password to ensure there are no errors. If you're using a personal computer, you can check the Remember Customer ID box for your future convenience. Before clicking on the login button, here are a few security tips. Always use a secure network to access your banking information. Do not share your login credentials with anyone. Ensure your device has updated antivirus software. Alright, then you can proceed by clicking on the login button. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your HDFC Bank account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more banking tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.